Alright guys, so I did get here a little late and it looks like they already started doing the front. As you can see, they've already done the dethatching and they've already cleaned up this bed as well. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of what the property is gonna look like before, since they haven't touched the back yet. And I'll give you an after update and then some, and we'll show you how we do things in this video as well. Like this, you do not want to touch this, because then you're just gonna damage the grass, and there's hardly anything here right now, but you don't want to remove anything here, because it's just gonna look bad on you when the client sees this, and you're not gonna be here anymore. So they're gonna find someone else. So just stay away from areas that look like this and focus on the areas that have the grass, because if you try to do this, trust me, you're gonna pay for it later on. See, this lawn is looking really good. We just finished doing the dethatching, and we finished it off with doing another pass just to get rid of all the dead grass that was on top, and just kind of clean it up so that when the client gets home, it looks good and presentable. Alright, so the last thing on the list that we're gonna do is we are going to edge most of the beds. Not all of them, but most of them. And using that, we're gonna use our tool that we created. This is the Easy Edger. Honestly, if you guys haven't seen this, we've been posting about this on our Instagram. We've had a numerous amount of people already ordering it, and I'm gonna tell you this is not just an edging tool, it's a multifunctional tool. This tool benefits you in so many ways, and it pays itself off in probably one job. I don't know why you guys wouldn't want to get this, but I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys, with our workers, how we use this tool and how it will benefit you. A lot of the reasons that we get referred to by a lot of clients to their neighbors or their friends is because we use tools like this to focus on the details of the work, and that's what gives us the credibility that we have. It's more about just mowing the lawn, coming in, doing the upkeeping, but it's about the details that gets you the credibility. But I'm going to show you guys, how we use this tool and how beneficial it can be for your work this season.
Ага. Потом.
Alright guys, thanks for tuning in on this channel. We just finished up this cleanup. We really hope that you found this video very helpful. If you guys have any questions about how we do things or what type of equipment we use to be successful this season, leave a comment down below and we'll get back to you guys. Hit that like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be posting more videos. So thank you guys again for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one.